Hey guys, I told the strongest stakes to send me here.
You've doomed us all.
Huh? What do you mean?
So, how do we get back down?
Well, maybe Cursor can help us. But it's gonna take us so long for him to be here.
Actually, I'm already here.
Well, can't you set us back down from this mountain?
Wanna see a magic trick?
What?
Poof!
Oh wait, I can fly. I forgot that.
Looks like the flimsy failures were flimsy after all. But almost everyone is dead. Plus, we kinda lost, so, yeah. Well, how do we recover the dead contestants? I got just the idea. I'll be right back. You guys help the flimsy failures.
You didn't have to do it like that, like, you really did.
Wait a minute! How are you still alive?
Somehow this piece of liquid caught my fall. Wait a minute.
Hey, what's this?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I hid various tokens for you contestants that give immunity, switch teams, remove half the votes, instantly eliminate people, and give you instant immunity for the whole season. And also, you can choose to give a token, sell a token, or buy a token.
But where can you buy or sell these infamous tokens?
At the token store. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to creating something. What is it? A RM2000. What is it? It stands for Recovery Mechanism 2000, which can recover any contestant.
Can it recover ice?
Let's find out. So, how do you recover someone? It's easy! Type their name and turn the lever, the RM2000 will revive them, and it's clever! Let me demonstrate. I'm back!
Good to see you back.
Glass, you need to go to the nurse. ASAP! In this show, we actually have a nurse. Her name is Cloth. But where is she? Near the token store.
Rubber, you get him to the nurse while me and Ice fix things up.
What are you gonna do? We are probably gonna clean this up. And probably build something. Medic! You have to help him. Okay, I'll get patched up before the intermission. Intermission? Hey, wait a minute. Since where did we have a tower clock? Hey, Helium, can you, give me that token?
Sure. What do you plan on doing with it?
I feel like selling it to buy another token.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I'm planning on selling this token. How much is it worth?
$10.
Oh, cool.
Would you like to buy a token?
Sure. Can I have that one that says ST on it?
You mean the Switch Teams token?
Yeah, exactly that one.
$25.
Oh no! Only have $20 and a 10.
Can you make it change? Sure, with my assistant calculator, he can give you the right amount of change. Calculator, what is 30 minus 25? Here is your $5, sir.
Cool. Well, wait a second. I got an idea what to use with this. Hey, can I actually have that token?
Sure, it's only $100.
What? Why not? Why is it $100?
Because it's the first ever token to be touched by a contestant.
Fine. I guess I'll buy it or so.
Hey, Rubber, I choose you to switch teams.
Wait, what?
What? Really?
Yeah.
But, like, how?
Well, I bought a switch team token, so now you'll be able to switch to our team. Yeah, so fast, you failures. Failures. You don't even know how to use it, blockhead.
Aren't we all blockheads? Well, except a girl. And Rubber.
That's beside the point. What the point is you can't take our team member without using the token.
Oh, then I'll just use the token.
Wait, what? Cursor, sir.
Yeah?
I got a switch team token that I'd like to use.
Okay. So did he switch?
You actually have to list the token.
Oh, okay.
And you have to say the name of the contestant. Rubber. Hey, like, what's happening to me? Yay! I'm a part of the
Flimsy failures.
now.
Anyways, give me the token.
Huh? Why?
Because you can only use this token's power once. Okay.
All patched up.
Thank you, Cloth. We are tragically doomed.
Huh? What do you mean?
If we don't have Rubber, then one of us will be eliminated, making 2 people here.
Wait a minute. Can't you buy a token since you're rich?
Well, I better act fast, because the intermission is almost over. Just give me something random, quick. That will be $50. Oh yeah, here's another $50 to fix that R2-D2 in the corner. Guys, I'm back, and I got this token.
Cursor, what does it do?
It removes half the votes of a person. You can choose to remove yourself or someone else's votes.
Oh, but it's still good.
And also I've been wondering, where do the tokens go when they're sold? They will be taken and sold to the token collector, because it's kind of our token museum, and also you can buy some of the prized possessions.
Wait, so you can buy back the tokens?
Yeah, but for a more expensive price. That's what I like to hear. Plus, you can even collect them as collectibles. Cool! Anyways, since the intermission is over, let's go to the elimination. Hey Wood,
Yeah?
I would like to thank you for saving me from that horrible group. Because if I stayed there longer, I would be eliminated. Hey, wait a minute. Where did the eliminated go when they're eliminated? They go in the eliminated competitors compartment. TECC for short. Which is where they will go. That seems kinda golden. It's not. It's a 3.75 9-meter steel box that has a label on it, which says the name what it is called. And if you're eliminated, you will be transported into the compartment until the end of the season, and you won't come back ever until the rejoining.
Isn't that like imprisonment?
Ever.
I wasn't on that team.
The strongest stakes. Looks like you're missing a person.
They took our member!
Since you guys are in the danger zone, let's see who's gonna get eliminated! And since Rubber is not here on this team anymore, his votes will be taken off the board. Before we see the votes, who's gonna get eliminated, does anyone have a half token, and do they plan on using it? I have one. I'm gonna use it on Steel. Awesome!
Why not me? Why not me?
You literally did nothing to help in the challenge, but yell at us.
Well, if it weren't for me, we wouldn't have been in the middle.
Whatever, man. I'll have that token, thank you. Anyways, Steel's votes have been automatically split in half. Awesome! Again! Now, if you're safe, you'll get a half cent. How's money? Wait, so we get money just for being safe? Yeah. Anyways, we got 2 votes.
Yikes.
Steel, you only got 0 votes, so you get a 50 cent. Phew, I thought I would be eliminated for sure. Now it's between Gold and Stone. Well, I sure hope it isn't me. Actually, it is you. Wait, what?
That's what you get, Monopoly Man.
In your face. But wait, you actually got voted too.
Wait, what?
So like, what happens now? It's time for a tiebreaker. If you fall off this platform, then you'll be eliminated. The last person to not fall off the platform will not be eliminated. 3, 2, 1, go!
This'll be easy.
Actually, it won't, because I got backup.
That's the guy on our target list.
You're going down!
Oh no! I'm doomed!
I love looking at teeth.
I'm immune to weapons. You would know that if you weren't spit on everything.
I can't feel pain. Can you see the same?
Did you just forget that you hit me on the sword?
Just shut up and rage quit.
Dang it, I missed. Got that out of the way. You aren't going nowhere. Charge!
Oh yeah, I forgot to teach him how to jump. My bad.
Wait a second. Aren't you 6 kilograms of gold?
Oh yeah?
And this board is very weak.
So, what?
So technically, didn't you break the wood that is supporting you?
I am so cooked. Oh! Anyways, the second intermission ends on 12. See ya, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go shoot that wall in the distance.
Wait, you have a gun?
Yeah, I'm a cop. I'm literally obligated to have a gun.
So you're like saying, since the first challenge, you have been an undercover cop this whole time?
Yeah, cause why can't I compete? Plus, what's the worst that can happen if I shoot this wall? Oh, shoot. Not to be offensive, but this is entirely your fault. Don't worry, the government will help it. Anyways, let's just go. Hey guys, and a girl, look what Cursor built. I am a cursor. I create things. It's magnificent. I call shotgun.
Whoa, it's a stable seat.
That's the only seat, actually.
Does anyone want to hop on?
Sure.
Hey, Glass! Wanna get on top of that tower clock?
I don't know why you still sound like that, but sure.
Also, hold on to me, because I can fly!
Wouldn't I like weigh you down a bit?
Just a little bit, since you're Glass!
Okay. Whoa, what is happening?
Hey, look! They came back!
Wait, what's that blue stuff?
Uh-oh, I think it's water. Well, we are safe here, so there is nothing to worry about.
Oh, my Rupert's dropped.
Breaking news. Someone broke the waterways and now it's starting to flood. We're all out to death. But don't sweat. Stay in high places immediately and push in if your health starts to leak. Stay tuned for more news, people.
Phew, we're very far away. Hey guys, what happened? A water pipe is flooding the area. That gives me an idea for a challenge. The challenge is to not touch the water. If you do touch the water, then you will be up for elimination. 3, 2, 1, go! I wonder if any customers will arrive.
Whoa, who are you?
I am Algodoo, the assistant of the toolkit store, and I am you with the water.
So like, what now?
You guys are competing in a Algodoo, right?
Yeah.
I have something to give to you.
Oh, really? What is it?
This is the new toolkit,
But why him?
because he's our first ever contestant to buy a toolkit and sell a toolkit to the toolkit store.
Wow.
Guys, let's drive in the water. Huh? Why? We have to sink glass and helium. Oh, okay.
Steel, let's go into my underwater car.
Out of all the people, you have an underwater car?
No time for questions. Just go.
I have a hypothesis that we have a 65% chance of not falling.
So what's the other 35?
Evacuation.
Well, I'm confident that I'm gonna survive because I can fly.
Look, it's the other contestants.
What's that other thing?
We have arrived.
What's that in the distance?
Oh no! It's the strongest stakes! I'ma climb up. Meanwhile, you get the rest of the flimsy failures. Oh no! What is it? There's a calculator up there. If he comes down, then the water will electrocute and the car can't handle electrocution. How do you know that? Like it will electrocute the motor and we'll be stuck here.
That's not so bad.
But if Steel keeps ramming the door, the whole vehicle will flood it in the inside. And we will all die. But we can still win the challenge, right? If helium doesn't get popped, we will win. Haha, I'm on the top. And you're finished, little dude. What are you? You look weird. You're ugly. Wait, no! Oh yeah, I'm a rock. Wait a second. Why can't move my legs? They're electrified.
Oh no, this beam can't hold my weight.
Oh no! Wow! Wait, I'm still alive? You're made out of water, obviously. Yay! What are you yaying for? You lost, I tell you! Lost! Oh no! Glass is still hanging on the tower clock. Oh, my teammate will ram it. Ram it, Steel!
Ha ha! Let's do this.
Oh man, at least we did good.
Viewers, vote in the comments with the letters and square brackets right here. The most votes gets eliminated. See you all in the next episode. Yeah!